This video demonstrates when to use z or t values. We begin with some key definitions. First, the population standard deviation is labeled as sigma. It represents the standard deviation for all values in a population of study. The sample standard deviation is labeled as S. It represents the standard deviation of a sample that is randomly selected from the population. We should always begin by asking this question: is sigma given? If the answer is yes, use z values. If the answer is no, use t values. Here's an example. Assume that sigma is given and the confidence level is 95%. To find our value, it has to be a z value because sigma is given. We turn to table F, we look for 95%, and we go all the way to the bottom of that column. That's where the z values are located. The value is 1.96. So that is the value we would use in the formula. In this example, we assume that sigma is not given, the confidence level is 90%, and the sample size n is 20. So typically, it will state that S is given in the problem, or you will have to compute it using a list of numbers. So if they have a small list of numbers, that's your sample. When you compute the standard deviation, that is the sample standard deviation. So step 1 is to compute degrees of freedom. That's n minus 1. N is 20, so 20 minus 1 is 19. And then we look up the value in table F. So for 90%, we go down to level 19. The t value, these are all t values, is 1.729. I hope this video helps clear up when we use z or t values. Thanks for watching the video.